Welcome back, guys. In this video we're going to talk about student loans. I'd like to discuss what student loans are and how they work and who should get them. I would also want to touch on that as well. But basically a student loan is for a person who is seeking to educate themselves beyond secondary school. So if you're in high school and you want to go to college, then you would be the type of person to get a student loan. So basically a loan for college or for something of university, something of that nature. Now, during the study period of the loan, you get up to about 4 years, depending on which institution you would go to. Now, while you're studying, some persons would ask that you pay the interest only. Others would ask that you pay a reduced interest amount on the loan. Now, it usually works along with the guardian or the parents of the student, because someone is going to have to pay it while you would be studying. So if while you're studying, you're going to pay only the interest on the loan or a reduced interest rate. Now, post study period, after you have graduated, you would get a job and you would be the one who would resume the payments then on. So the interest rate then would go up. So for the persons who were paying interest only, you would now be paying your regular payment, and you would start to see the loan coming down after some time. And for those persons who are making a reduced interest payment, you would now be making the full interest payment, the blended payment, principal and interest on the loan, and you would also see that coming down as well. So that's just how student loans work. Now, if you want to get a student loan, you're gonna, in most cases, have to put up some collateral for the bank to hold, for the simple fact that student loans nowadays cost the price of a home. In fact, most parents often use the equity that is in their home that they've built up over the years to pay for education for their children. So student loans are quite expensive, guys. You're gonna be studying for the 4 years, but you're gonna have more than just the 4 years to repay it. So definitely, based on the amount that you're gonna have to pay, you're gonna make, I would suggest that you are certain about what it is that you're gonna study. If you're not sure, take the time to become sure, because just as someone takes the time and make the decision before buying a home, which is a worthwhile decision, you would want to also think very carefully before getting such a large student loan and rushing in and getting a degree that you won't be using in this life. It's going to be far too expensive a venture to go into and not be certain that you're going to use that degree. So if you want student loan, guys, you're going to have to find the collateral for it. You're going to have a reduced interest rate during the study period, and then you're going to have to make your regular payments after you've studied for a period of time. So think about the expense. Now, another way you can go about getting the funds to pay for college is by doing just an equity loan, because you would have to put up collateral in any event. Instead of going through the study and post-study period, what a lot of persons can do, and you can take advantage of the lower rate because college goes up every year. If you get the full amount, if your parents have the equity in their home now, and they can get the full amount to pay for the entire 4 years, or pay a year at a time and have the monies on a fixed deposit collecting some interest while they wait to pay the next year's or next semester's school fee, then that's another way you can do it, by getting an equity mortgage over the home or over a piece of property that would be sufficient enough to cover the tuition costs for the next year, 2 years, 3 years, depending on whatever the study period may be. So that's my take today, guys, on student loans. If you have any more questions about student loans or any other video that you would have watched me do, or if you have any loan credit related questions, you can email me, michaud@gmail.com. Like this page, subscribe, share this video. You can comment below, and I'll do my best to assist with answering those questions. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.